This is the Nano Fusion Ceramic Detailer. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. It's a really nice product. 16-ounce bottle right here. You can see I used it on my vehicle. That's about what I used on the whole thing. Does not take a lot here. Basically, very easy instructions. Just shake well. Just make sure the surface is clean and not too hot or in sunlight. Apply a fine mist to one section, spread evenly over across the surface, flip the towel and buff away, and then it says it takes 6 hours for the final cure. Basically, this is similar to like a spray wax that you would use. Before I've used like McGuire spray wax. Had a lot of positive results with that. This stuff just puts a really nice finish on it. Very happy with it. No issues with it at all putting it on. Basically, like it says, you just spray it on a small part, flip the rad over, wipe it over, and it just is very similar to spray wax, but it has this ceramic detailer in it. So I'm happy with it. It has rained out since then, and you could just see the water just like beads off of it. Really nice. Just reminds me of like a good like carnauba wax or something like that, but just much easier to apply it. Like I said, you're going to get 16 ounces in this bottle here. This is just for like one vehicle right here, so you're going to get a lot of different treatments out of here. So overall, very pleased with this Nano Fusion Ceramic Detailer 16-ounce bottle. Highly recommend picking some of this up.